Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a high-performance cleaning solution that's built for modern households, the V25 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Royal Edition. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that combines raw power, intelligent features, and long runtime, this one deserves a serious look. At the core of the V25 is its 680W brushless motor, delivering a staggering 60 kilopascals of suction power. That's one of the highest ratings in its class, making it capable of tackling everything from fine dust and crumbs to stubborn debris and embedded pet hair in carpets. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tiles, area rugs, or thick carpets, the V25 adapts effortlessly to deliver consistent, deep cleaning results. One of the standout features is its smart dust sensor, which automatically detects the amount of dirt and adjusts suction power in real time. This ensures optimal cleaning performance while conserving battery life when full power isn't needed. It's intelligent, efficient, and perfect for homes where mess levels vary from room to room. The digital display adds to the user-friendly design, giving you instant feedback on suction modes, dust levels, and remaining battery life. Powered by a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery, the V25 provides up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, more than enough to handle a full home clean without interruptions. The vacuum's versatile 2-in-1 design makes it just as effective as a handheld cleaner for tight spaces, cars, stairs, and furniture. The lightweight frame and ergonomic handle ensure comfortable use, while the multi-surface roller brush is engineered to avoid tangles, making it especially ideal for households with pets. For added convenience, the V25 includes an advanced filtration system that captures fine dust and allergens, leaving the air in your home fresher and healthier. The dustbin is large and easy to empty, while the washable components make long-term maintenance simple and cost-effective. Whether you're dealing with pet fur, everyday messes, or seasonal deep cleans, the V25 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Royal Edition is designed to handle it all with power and intelligence. It's a sleek, reliable cleaning partner that makes maintaining your home easier than ever. If you're ready to level up your cleaning game, check out the link in the description and grab yours today. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the latest reviews here on Gadgetverse.